for northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Springmount, or 20 miles east of Reading, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include East Greenville, Schwenksville, Green Lane, Springmount, Jerryville, Gilbertsville, Tinsburg, Redhill, and Pottsgrove. This includes northeast extension between mile markers 37 and 39. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Montgomery, Pennsylvania,